Hi you guys, welcome back to day 3. My name is Angela Romero with Superior Body Transformation and Ayurveda and a Superior Life. So today for day 3 video, 3 out of 30 videos of I'm going to be doing is I am going to be making ghee. So in Ayurveda, we talk about ghee, or otherwise known as clarified butter, a lot in a lot of its health properties that it has. So within Ayurveda, we use things for our digestion, which is a great playoff of yesterday for the digestive fire and the Agni. We use it in our eyes. We can use it for lots of health properties and benefits. It's great for kids. It's great for the mind. It's great for stressors. So since I'm going to be making it, I figured I would just video about it and show you how I make it. So I'm using Land O'Lakes butter. And I know there's probably other people say that there's better butter to use, but this is just what I use. Whatever you do use, make sure it comes from good, happy cows and unsalted. So you want to make sure it's unsalted butter. All right, so I have pre-cut my butter into chunks. So this is just, I just took the sticks and I cut it into chunks. And I actually really like to make my ghee versus buying it, but I was told that ghee is actually better aged. So aged ghee is better than fresh ghee, but I like to make it at home. I put it in a jar like this, and I use about a spoonful a day, maybe 2 spoonfuls a day, but it really helps with everything to flow smoothly inside my body, especially because I'm Vata. Ghee really helps to nourish my body and to get rid of all of the dryness. So, all right, so I put the pot on medium. I'm just gonna dump it all in here. And there's nothing in the pot before, it's just the butter. All right, so that's all that we have right now. Vitality. Okay, so let me pull this camera down really quickly. All right, you guys, so here is all the butter in my pot. So it's just on a medium temperature right now. And what it's going to do right now is it's going to start to simmer. So everything's going to melt and it's going to start to simmer. And all the milk products are going to start to come up on the top. So as it does, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it go for a minute and then I'm going to scrape it off. So I'll slowly scrape the properties off like this, and I'll just put it in my bowl next to it. So I'm going to kind of do that for a while. I'll record and then I'll do this in like a fast motion. So you can see this is starting to really bubble now, so I'm just going to go ahead and I switched over to a strainer versus the spoon because I didn't want to take out so much of the actual butter itself. So what's going to happen is eventually this will stop bubbling altogether. The bubbles is just the liquids coming out of, it's just the liquids separating from the fats. So just like you picture an oil, it doesn't bubble really per se like this, like a pot of water, hot water would. So this is just evaporating all of the liquids out, and then it's separating the lactose apart from the fats. And this fat has so many health properties. You can use ghee in your eyes to help clean the eyes, to help with eye health. You can use this to brighten the appearance of just the human body overall. This is for power, strength, might, vigor, force, and vitality. So yesterday we talked about your Ojus. A lot of people would assimilate ghee directly assimilated with your Ojus. Ghee is very important to use it in a daily if you can. I like to use it in the morning. It helps with bowel movements. It helps with your stressors because it helps to soothe. Ghee is good for all 3 doshas. It destroys unhappiness, misfortune, comedy, and crime in the mind. So this helps get rid of abnormal thoughts and helps to rid many toxins. So this is actually, if you have experienced acid reflux, we highly recommend you using Ghee. This will smooth and release your pain or help to ease your pain, especially abdominal pain. Sorry, I keep getting off track. This helps to increase your memory and your intellect. So already you can see that Ghee has many amazing properties. If you're vegan, it's still not vegan friendly, but it is lactose free. Be mindful that when your strainer is metal, I used a strainer that I thought was metal one time, and it wasn't. It melted right through the strainer. So as you can see, there's getting less and less lactose now. Alright you guys, so now you can tell that the lactose is pretty much all gone. So what we're getting rid of now is just the excess liquid. So once all the excess liquid goes away, the bubbles are going to get even smaller and smaller slowly, and it'll eventually be no more bubbles at all. And it'll just be pretty calm and smooth. So I'm going to try to get it to that point. The color turns a beautiful golden. You have to be mindful that if you let it go too long, you're going to burn it. So you don't want to burn the Ghee. But let's see if hopefully I can get it to perfect color. Alright, I wanted to show you how small the bubbles are getting. See how they're turning extra small, and pretty soon they'll slowly dissipate till they're pretty much almost non-existent. Okay, so here we have it. See, there's no more big bubbles. It's just kind of soft and calm, just random bubbles here and there. Let me see if I could just scrape off this last top layer to show you how beautiful it is underneath. And then that'll slowly go away as well. But I'm going to say it's pretty done at this point, because it's, I mean, that's just a little bit of liquid, and I could probably let it go. But if you take it too long at this point, you can, this is the point where you can, you're going on a fine line right now, where it's, you could, if you go too long, you're going to burn it. But you could see how there's like no more bubbles whatsoever. Temperature hasn't changed. So I'm going to call this good. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Okay, so as you see on the bottom, those are the little, the milk dairy curds. I'm just going to pour this in here through my strainer. And there we have it. Those are the dairy curds that are left on the bottom. I probably shouldn't have scraped it that last time. Next time I won't, but isn't that beautiful? So some people take those and eat them, not me. And this is all of the dairy or the lactose. That is the beautiful Ghee that I just made. Looks like honey. Alright you guys, so here we have it. This is our beautiful Ghee that we just made. So this will last me about a month, and I'm so excited about this. I eat about a teaspoon a day or a tablespoon a day, and it just helps me with all kinds of goodness. I did get a couple little pieces of sediment inside of mine. You can't see it in there, but when I scraped the bottom of that pan, like I probably shouldn't have, I got a little bit of those pieces in here, a tiny bit of curd. but it's okay. It's just a tiny bit at the bottom, so I'm not worried about it. So this is gonna actually settle when it cools. It'll look just like the ghee in the store, nice and that beautiful, thick, golden, smooth texture and consistency. It's still hot, hence I have the pot holder on my hand. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have comments, please leave them below. Please follow my channel so you can see all the amazing videos that I put out. And if you have any content or something that you would like me to touch base on, as far as Ayurveda or Pilates, health and wellness, any type of something that you're looking to get some tips and tricks, all holistic wise, I would love to be able to help you. So make it an amazing night. I'll see if I can't wait for this to cool before the video gets uploaded, and have a good one. All right, you guys, chat soon. Bye.